It's definitely not as dirty as I thought it would be. I mean, there's not a whole bunch of dust on it because the garage door doesn't get opened a whole ton, but she's looking good. Ready for a first fire up, I think. We gotta check the oil, we gotta check the coolant, and then the battery tender should have kept the battery all charged up for the winter. So yeah, let's start it up. We're gonna do first cold start after like 5 months. Sounding good. We're about ready to take her out for the first time. Oh yeah. Definitely sounding good, definitely still running good. This car is amazing. I can just push the button after 5 months of not driving it, and the car just goes, does exactly what it's supposed to do. First drive, everything's looking really good. That's about where everything should be. Everything's up to temp, smells fine, performs fine so far. So we got old gas in it. We had 93 in it when we put it away. When it sits that long, the octane goes way down, so we're probably at like 90 octane right now. So we'll have to run this half tank of gas out of it and then fill it up with fresh 93, and then I put an octane booster in with that, and then the next tank will be E85. So yeah, we're pretty much ready to go for the season. We got to put the side markers on and do a couple little things like that, but other than that, we're ready to rock and roll. have I told you guys how much I love this car? It just makes all the right noises, sounds. It's fast as you know what, and I love it. I couldn't be happier. Today is a great day. Purring like a little kitten. She's kind of dirty on the inside, but we'll have to get a full detail done inside and outside. Obviously we need to get a couple things done, like the oil, need to check the coolant again. We checked it before we started it up, but we might have to add a little bit. And then we got new exhaust tips for it, so you guys stay tuned for that. We got the new side markers going on. Well guys, first drive is over. She did everything she's supposed to do, running really good. Make sure you guys lightly tap that like and subscribe button. Lightly tap, lightly, and we will see you guys soon. Oh, you should do that again, so I can record it.
Can't reach?
No.